It's that time of the year again. Let's make some viral holiday recipes.
Pretty. We need a voila. Don't forget to thumb this video.
If you're hosting a party, these are super cute to serve to your guests. Welcome back to the kitchen.
We're reindeers.
I hope you guys are ready for the festive season. We sure are. I love that our ears add an extra bit of height. Let's make some jello shots. I've got my strawberry jello. So I just need 1 cup of boiling water and 1 cup of cold water. I'm wearing contacts, so I don't know if it's my eyes blurry or the screen's blurry. I don't know, can you see?
I can't see.
I think it's okay. No, I think it's okay. I think it's just our eyes. In goes our gelatin mix.
Oh, it smells intense.
I don't know why I sniffed that, but it actually went up my nose. It smells amazing though. We need a cup of boiling water. I searched it up. A cup is 238 mils. I have not made jello in a long time, but yeah. Now you guys can make it a boozy jello shot if you want. You can add your choice of booze. Give that a good mix. But look, it matches. Then you're gonna add in your cold water, another cup. If you wanna speed it up, you can add a little bit of ice to it. Would anyone like a shot glass? I'm using my glass shot glasses because I don't have plastic ones. I've just got the hardcore ones.
Alcoholic.
Clearly, right? I can't wait until I can have nice cold beer. Bartender Tina's gonna serve up these shot glasses.
Shots.
I'm just gonna pour the jello mix in. Oh. Now all we have to do is wait 4 hours for these to set and cool down in the fridge.
Don't drop it, please.
Whilst we're waiting for the jello shots to set, I want to give a shameless plug to my brand, The Petite Club. I feel like I don't talk about it enough on this channel, and I feel like I totally should because I've got some amazing products. So if you guys are looking for a gift for a special someone this holiday season or something to treat yourself, why not check out my brand and support your girly and her side hustle. We've got our best-selling lashes that I've designed for smaller hooded eye shapes. Today I'm wearing this style Hannah. And then I have my latest creation, the Perky Perm Brow Lamination Kit. This kit will help you transform and fluff up your brows right in the comfort of your own home, so you don't need to go out to the salons to get your brows laminated anymore. Now my brand, The Petite Club, is exclusively sold online at Coriel.com. It's your one-stop shop for all things K-beauty. Plus I have a little gift for you. You can use my family and friends discount code TINA20 at checkout to get 20% off The Petite Club plus other products on Coriel.com. So if you're shopping our lashes or adding in our Perky Perm kit to your cart and you want to stock up on some K-beauty skincare or makeup, you can get 20% off those too. So save big this season and show us some love. As always, I'll leave all the links for you guys in my description box below. Okay, let's get back to cooking. Has that been 4 hours? Who wants a shot? They're ready. I picked out the best strawberries for this recipe. Look how good they look. This is the scary part. I suck at spraying whipped cream. Is that how you say it? I just want to go like this and just do it in my mouth.
Do a little test in your mouth.
In my mouth.
Yep, oh, Slade. Got it.
Pro. Asia, are you scared? I did it. I did it.
Nice. Nice.
Ooh.
Lovely.
Whip it. I'm actually in that
You're actually in the whippets.
I'm actually whipping it. All we need to do is pop our little Santa's hat, a little strawberry on top. So cute. Ding, 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 ding. So adorable.
They're so pretty. I'm so excited.
Yeah, when you eat pretty things that taste good, it just makes your day. Makes your year, in fact.
Okay.
It doesn't really stick on. Top it off with a tiny squeeze of cream.
Oh my god, it's so freaking adorable.
So cute.
Cute. Oh my god.
Our Santa shots are ready, but we're missing a big Rudolph. Are you a bunny? I said gallop on stage. We're keeping
that. No redos. It was Rudolph merged with the Easter Bunny.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm excited. Do you like our little Santa hat?
It's very cute,
The
yes.
shots. Got some vodka in it. I'm joking. Cheers! How to eat this?
Do you actually shot it? I feel like I might choke and die.
No, the jelly won't come out. You need to scoop the jelly out.
It's fun, it's fun.
Party dessert.
Once you get it all in your mouth, it's amazing. Come on, it's strawberries, jello, and whipped cream. It cannot go wrong. The only thing is you'll need to serve it with little spoons, right? Unless you think if you use plastic cups, you can like
Pop it out.
possibly. Don't know about that, but they're super cute, great for impressing your guests, and they're so easy to make. Like, we made it. If we can make it, you guys can make it. I mean, what are we gonna rate these little Santa shots? Shots.
Two shots.
Now, I bet you didn't know you could eat pine cones. How cute do those pine cones look? And best of all, it's a no-bake recipe. So really can't stuff it up, right? Keep it simple these holidays, especially if you're having guests over. You don't want to be so frantic in the kitchen. First up, chocolate biscuits. We're gonna throw these in the food processor and crumb them up. And let's get grinding.
That looks pretty good.
That looks pretty good.
Nice.
Nice. So far, so good. Very easy. If you have chunks left over, just eat them. In goes our Blitz chocolate biscuits, and then we're gonna pop in 60 grams of cream cheese. It just fell into the bowl. How to combine this? Well, it's all clumping.
I feel like you gotta go in with your hands.
I think so. I'm going in with my hands. It's a lot easier to mix.
I feel like this would taste good.
If it already tastes good on its own, aka like chocolate biscuit, cream cheese, together, combined, has to be amazing. I'm getting this dough forming. Does that look like a turd?
It does. It's giving turd.
First time making pine cone shapes, guys. It looks like a poop emoji, like, you know. Basically like a Hershey's Kisses.
Oh, yeah.
Hershey's Kisses. We're gonna have different size pine cones because it's too hard to try to make them the same. Voila, we have the base to our pine cones. Now we just need to add in the cornflakes. I feel like you need to choose the pretty one.
Lay them out.
Okay, we're gonna lay them out and see which cornflakes make the cut.
Oh, we're so judgmental, man.
Because you need it to be like that
That pretty
C
curl.
cup shape.
C curl, like a lash.
Like, does that look like a C curl? That looks like a huge chunk. Oh, we've got our work cut out for us. I thought this would be easy. You're gonna sort them?
Sort them first. Just cornflake picking factory. You know how a pine cone looks like, right?
Yeah. I mean, I know, but do I know the specifics? If you asked me to draw like a realistic one, I could not. Just ignore me. I feel like I'm doing the opposite of he loves me not. He loves me. It actually helps you to sort out pine cones. I mean, the cornflakes beforehand.
Yeah.
Oh, I broke one.
No.
Don't fuss over this too much and just go with the flow. Nature isn't perfect, so you just gotta make it all natural. I will say, can you see that our cookie part is like breaking apart, and I feel it, the structure, it's getting compromised.
Not good foundation to work
No.
with.
Will that pass for a pine cone? We shall see when we coat it. And with the magic of editing, our pine cones are complete. You need patience for this, FYI. So do this when you're watching TV or something. This is where I'm a little bit nervous. I'm gonna use a fork to stab.
No, you don't stab.
Do I not stab it?
You just put it on
But then how do I hold it?
like that, like balance.
Like that? Oh my god, how am I gonna balance? Okay, wait.
You need a spoon.
Basically, you want to get a fork and just balance your pine cone on top or the chocolate on top, because you can't really dip it. And you want to cover all the leaves. What are those? Or the pines? Is that?
Actually, what are they called?
The cornflakes.
Yeah.
Cover the cornflakes. I feel like our chocolate's very
So
thick.
thick.
Wait, were we supposed to mix anything in the chocolate? Dude, where's all the... Where's all the
Oh,
leaves?
do we flip it upside down later?
How do we get the excess off?
Yeah, it's kind of forming.
Okay. Do the bounce.
Yeah, do that.
Okay.
It's looking good.
Wow, the technique, guys. Try
So
to get more definition on the pines. Okay, how do I get this off?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, that's one. got some weight.
Is this the one that I made? Okay, okay.
Okay,
Getting
okay.
better.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Definitely don't go oversized with your pine cones because this will be a little bit tricky to coat and to balance. Check out our pine cones. I don't know if you can tell. Do they really look like pine cones? I don't know. I gotta find some room in my fridge because these need to cool down. Didn't take too long for these to set. Does it look like I picked it up off the ground? I just found 4 pine cones lying around at the park, so we're gonna just season them and eat them. If you can't make this yourself, don't go picking up random pine cones, please. I don't think they're actually edible. Okay, I'm getting a little bit of icing sugar, popping it onto my little
Sifter?
sifter thing, yes.
잠깐만요.
I already started.
Okay, go.
It's snowing.
Very pretty.
So festive. Nice plate always saves it. Earthy wood, see, oh yes. I wonder what Alf will think of these. Should we just say the actual pine cones? He won't know. Okay, let's pretend that you can actually eat.
Wow, gaslighting at its finest.
Yeah, like that's... We found these.
This was quite hard to make.
Yeah, we had to like hunt everywhere to get like fresh pine cones.
What do you mean?
Yeah,
Fresh
because you
pine
know how
cone?
Vietnam, they don't sell pine cones, but this is a pine cone recipe, so we needed the pine cones.
I brought it in from Singapore. I had it like flown in. You can only find these in winter countries.
What do you mean, like an actual pine cone?
Yeah.
Like off a tree?
Yeah.
Yeah, so these have been parboiled and then we like air fried them and then we coated them.
Okay, well, you guys enjoy.
Did we convince you?
I ain't eating a pine cone.
We're eating pine cones. Should we cut it open? We gotta cut it open.
Yeah, let's cut it open.
It's falling apart. It's a little bit of a messy eat. Okay, cheers. Interesting.
I don't mind it.
I'm a bit confused. It's very chocolatey, but also not really.
Perfect balance.
The name of this is actually like a pine cone truffle and the inside does taste truffly, right? It's no bake recipe, so I think that cream cheese combined with the mashed up biscuits, it just makes it into like a nice textury dough.
Why is it crunchy?
Oh, it's
Cornflakes.
crunchy because there's cornflakes.
That's cool.
The chocolate covering like makes it even better, right?
Yeah.
That hard chocolate.
You
on top.
definitely need a nice, good chocolate to coat around it, but I really like the inside cream cheese and that biscuit. Yum.
Surprised cream cheese works with biscuits.
You can't tell it's cream cheese,
Yeah.
but it's adding like
Depth to it.
Also, it does get stuck in my teeth though.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
You know what I feel?
I like it too.
I think this one is our best looking one.
It is. Oh, that's pretty. Is it the one that I made?
Yeah, it's the one that Zen
Slay.
made, and it happened to be the biggest fat one as well that I formed. Look at that.
I do parties and holiday birthdays.
Available for bookings now.
Yes.
Professional pine cone maker can sort out all those corn flakes.
Yeah.
I think it deserves a double thumbs because we were able to make it. It was a little bit tricky coating it at first, but if anything, the hardest part is the tedious part. Just sticking the cornflakes in, but
Okay,
everything
okay.
else, you guys got it. This one's not too bad. This one's like broken a couple. We lost a couple cornflakes.
It was like a bit of effort to make this.
There
was.
was.
To like,
We had to find good-looking cornflakes.
Yeah.
We had to judge them.
There is that layer that you have to get through, but like I said, just do it when you're watching TV. This is probably not the recipe to make if you're hosting a party for like 50.
Yeah, not.
If it's like 5 to 10, maybe.
3?
If it's like 1, 2, 3, 4,
That works.
double thumbs.
I don't think
Oh,
because it tastes
what do
really
you-
good.
yeah, I like it. I didn't
Surprise.
make it. I ate it.
What do you make, darling? We need an episode where Alfred just cooks for us.
And then both of us taste.
Yeah, yeah.
You want to die?
2025.
I wonder how that would feel like.
2025, that is the goal. Get him to cook like 3 recipes.
Can I get help? Can I have a sous chef?
We could do tag team sous chef. Thumb this video if you want to see it. If you're looking for an easy to make sweet treat, this recipe looks foolproof. I got myself some cute holiday molds, a Christmas tree, and a little gingerbread man. I said this recipe was foolproof. Let me prove it to you. Fingers crossed. We can't stuff this one up. We can't. We really can't. Well, the puff pastry I bought only came with 1 sheet. She used 2, so I guess we're dividing this. Before I divide it, I'm gonna give it a little roll.
Why are there holes on it?
I don't know. Good question. This half I'm going to set aside. I've got half my jar of Nutella because I've been eating this throughout my pregnancy.
It's your Nutella jar.
It is literally mine. We also have a little bit of chocolate left over from our pine cone recipes. We'll just double up hazelnut and chocolate. Can't go wrong, right? Sounds even better.
Oh my god, it's thick.
We're gonna paint this on our puff pastry. Definitely not for those who are on a diet.
It's fine, it's the holidays.
It's the holidays. Wrong time to be on a diet.
You diet next year as your New Year
That's
resolution.
New Year's, yeah, exactly. New Year's resolution. You gotta have something to work off. That's looking pretty good. We're not gonna let this chocolate get away, so we're just gonna spread that on top. This is just us being extra for the holidays. Extra calories, that's what this is. But like we said, we just need something to work off next year, right? Now I'm going to lay the other half on top. I'm gonna roll those two layers together. Hopefully our chocolate doesn't ooze out too much.
Ooh.
All right.
I feel like you need to Tetris it like.
How to make the most of this. Okay, time to cut out some trees. Max out the area. Time for the moment of truth, heal to reveal. Ta-da! Look at our little cute pastries. We managed to get 8 shapes out. Now all I need to do is do an egg wash, a light egg wash to give them some color, and then bake. We're gonna pop this in for 10 to 15 minutes at 175 degrees. OMG, our little men, they're trying to run away. And look, they're levitating. Whee! Whee! Set me free! So these took about like 13 minutes in our oven. But look at them, they're nice, golden. They're nice and golden, that's all I have to say. I was gonna add more, but nothing came out of my mouth. To make it a little bit more festive, you know, we gotta do some icing sugar.
And of course, plate it on a nice plate.
Hey Zen, how's your shoulder going? Mine hurts a little bit. I don't know if I can hold it for much longer.
Why is he so heavy? My shoulder's gonna come out.
How cute does this look? Will it taste as good? Let's find out. Cheers.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Surprised you guys got it fluffy. It's actually fluffy. How?
It was bought puff pastry. What do you mean?
It was store-bought puff pastry.
All we had to do is just put it together and roll it.
out.
I was impressed for half a second there.
We should have lied to
Yeah,
our,
should have
through our
lied.
teeth. He would have seen the truth though. But you know what? See, it impressed Alfred. This will impress your guests too. You can just buy your store-bought puff pastry, slap some chocolate on, get some cute cookie cutters, and then bake it. Probably one of the easiest things to make. This was the easiest thing to make.
That was the easiest to eat.
I think this is the yummiest
I
out
think
of all
this is
three.
the yummiest too, actually. Considering how easy and delicious this is, this one deserves like 3 thumbs. Like
Yeah.
3. Oh, I kind of ate this guy, but 3
Yep.
thumbs. Just put different spreads inside.
Pistachio?
Put some pistachio. You can put whatever your heart desires.
It's good, man. It's good.
That's all the recipes we're trying today. If you guys want more kitchen chaos and you want to binge watch our videos, there's a whole playlist for you guys. So click the video on screen. Don't forget to thumb this video. Subscribe to my channel. Come on, it's like the end of the year. Show me some love. Happy holidays from us, and we shall speak to you guys next time. Bye. Main B. That is not a
Why are you
camera.
hopping?
You gotta like,
It's a one leg at a time.
just like a horsey.
Yeah.
Du-duk, du-duk, du-duk. That's the beat. Du-duk, du-duk, du-duk. Du-duk. It's like this. Can you?
What horse does that?
Yeah, that's how people gallop. No? Are we doing it wrong?
Nah, Alf's doing it wrong. Alf's doing like some stuff. Kinda.
It's okay, he's
Next
Rudolph, so he
year.
can do whatever he wants.
Next year we'll try again next year.
rules. I said the rules.
Subscribe and thumb this video.
This is like ho ho ho.
Ho ho.